Because good morning. This is not comedy. This is a plea for mercy. Bikoni, stop to the send account. I know the year has come to an end. Maybe your life come to end. Biko, stop to the send account. I'm scared to open anybody's message now. Because if you open it, you just say, can I don't come out. Stop. See, if you don't steal for some people's side, they do 2 million, 1 million, everything giveaway. Some people will never steal for them. People they do a one giveaway offline, the way we feed them. Family self will never settle them finish. Everywhere account choke. And I'm not an accountant. Please stop sending account number. Some of you will send me goodwill message before I open it and say amen. You have attached account number to it. Because Baronum Christmas. Bazelum Christmas, I'm a human being, do Christmas for me. Thank you.
You see this particular video, Whitemoney go they regret why you post this video. Cause if you go comment section, go read waiting human beings like you and I they write. Oh more you go laugh tire. Hey my people, how on a day is your girl Cindy? I don't come again with another Obenge news come drop for una. Una know say for this channel now Obenge news that they carry come undiluted as them they cook them. That's why they carry and come give una. So today's episode now Whitemoney will carry come. So Whitemoney did this particular video. Come they beg people say make una no verse, make una no dey again send una account number to my DM. I dey fear self to open my DM cause so account number full my DM. Make una please allow me, I be somebody's son, I need help too. Make una do Christmas for me. Make una stop to dey ask me for money, I don't get money. People can't live waiting the man they talk, can't they look him mouth, can't they look him talk. Say, oh God, drop go to your phone, go and brush first. Say why you go to brush mouth? You know go brush your tongue. Say you know make sense. Oh God, go brush your tongue. This Naija people, this my country people, why you they always see fault? We don't allow people rest. What is wrong in this video now? Una no get here to dey listen to waiting the man they talk. Say, una know they send una account number to me. Una leave the matter where the man they talk on they look him mouth. Aka why is it? Why? Why Nigerians? Why? Hey, but wait though. Odogu White. Make I no talk sha. Hey, now the gist be this. So as I can't see him, I say no, my people need to see this. My people need this Obenge news. They need to see this particular one. They need to see it. Their eyes need to eat. They are hungry. Their eyes and their ears are hungry. I need to feed them. Don't say that my work be this. As an army boy, where I be. My own is just today. Chuku eye. They see matter arising. As I can't see them, I say no. I need to share. That's why I can't give you that. Now the matter be this. Okay, bye.